What is happening? We are back again. It is.
I'm trying to get dressed.
He's trying to get dressed. It is 4:45 in the morning. We are back on the same island that we were at yesterday. We're going to try to redeem ourselves for all them mallards that we seen yesterday morning. But the good thing about this morning is, as of right now, we have it to ourselves. We've got all the crap on the boat. We got to get the decoys out. We're going to get them thrown out. We're going to cook some breakfast. We forgot the bread this morning.
We always forget some kind of grocery.
We do always forget some kind of groceries, but it is the next morning. And we're going to kill some ducks today. I do have a feeling. So let's get some decoys thrown out and let's get to cooking breakfast. This is what we got going on this morning. We got another group right here. I got 3 sitting right here for the jerk rig. We got another group out here. Wind's to our back, so hopefully the birds work around and they land feet down in this spread. It's hot out here this morning. It ain't as cool as it was yesterday. I'm sweating, probably 65 degrees. There's spiders everywhere. It's gonna be a good morning, as long as the ducks show up. It's cloudy most of the night. It rained a little bit. So hopefully they're gonna get up, get that water off them wings. And then we're back at it again with Chef Jeff.
That's right. It really ain't.
So we've got dang near an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours to kind of just sit back, hang out, relax, talk, shoot the bull, and just have a good time. And we're gonna have to cool off because it is hot. But we got us a big brush pile right here to stand in, so ducks ain't gonna see us this morning. If we can just get them flying like they did the first flight yesterday, we're gonna have some birds down. 20 minutes to shooting light. It is time to get guns loaded and get our butts hid, so when these birds come, it's, God, that light's bright. It's time to kill ducks. Thinking about starting off with them 3.5s.
I'm going with them long range.
I'm gonna start off with the Rio 3.5s. That's a damn bullet, ain't it, boy? Rio 3.5s, number 2s.
Long range choke today.
Now watch Teal come in and I'm gonna blow them up. We are loaded up. You loaded up, Mitchell?
Getting there.
All right, making sure. Burley, you good?
Mm-hmm.
Let's kill some birds. I thought he was gonna come straight in and land. Well, darn. Maybe he'll go around and cut back. Who knows? I want some more mallards. I would love to have some more mallards. But I won't be picky. I'll take a wood duck. I'll take a teal. I'll take a whatever wants to land in our decoys.
I'll take a ruddy duck right now.
Yeah. Got my bird. I'll hurry. Guys, I could not even get my camera on in time. Wood duck come busting in there. Maybe he got some of that country boy bling on him. No country boy bling today. Ah, it's a darn hen. Hen wood duck.
Pretty hen though.
Yeah. That number, she ain't got no feathers right there on her back, but that number 3 did some work on that wing. Yeah, we'll take her. let's get back in here. Good gosh, how I'd love for them boogers to come over here.
Well, if we get them about treetop high,
God, dog, I don't think they gonna. God, dog, boys.
boy,
If they just kept a beeline straight here and got down.
I'd have picked that one home.
Whew.
So help me God. They's abandoned that pile.
They had to have been.
It's a drake and a hen.
Are they near that island?
No. They're, you see that other little island to the left?
That's all.
That little island, tiny island's where they're at.
How far out?
Pretty good piece.
Okay.
Dang it, get on for it. Really?
You still see them?
Nah.
When I heard them, they sounded close.
Well, they ain't, I mean, they ain't far.
Mid-morning update. We about to call it a day. It is not hitting on a whole lot this morning. We got the one wood duck. Had a couple. Got an island right here. Then on the other side there's water. They just been cruising that backside. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. So we are gonna go get the boats. I guess start picking up decoys, because we're gonna call it a day. Tired of standing. Guys, I appreciate y'all watching that video. This hunt didn't really go the way I expected, but that's why they call it hunting. I thought the mallards were gonna show up. I think with it being hot like it was and not cool like the other morning, that's the hand we was dealt. But either way, we had a good time. We got that one wood duck, so we didn't get skunked, but 2 more weeks, the season will be coming back open for a long period of time, and we're gonna get back on the ducks, and hopefully we get some colder weather. Until then, check out the other videos. I'm gonna try to throw out a couple more until next split comes out. Remember, if you're new, go ahead, drop down, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, we'll see you.